So I did make it back to my site. I'm being buzzed by the things that think I already died, probably. I finished my Daypax bladder, which is a 100-ounce reservoir made by Camelback. And I also had 2 tangerines, which was one more than my scheduled allotment for today. But I felt like it was well deserved, and I still have 3 left. So today's Wednesday, and technically if I just have 1 per day, then I have enough to last me until Saturday. So it sounds like I'll be coming down to the basin, or going back down to the basin around Saturday instead of Sunday. We'll see, time will tell. For now, I just wanted to once again document the process. Before I recorded the last clip, I was retching, like I almost vomited. It wasn't necessarily from the heat or the distance that I walked or hunger. Maybe it was because, like I said, I haven't had sugary substances in several days. Whatever the case, it was a productive day, and tomorrow's Thursday, and I'm hoping to put in an entire work week up here since I hauled everything up here. Although it's not very lucrative for me to be just doing this without any kind of contributions. So if you feel generous enough, please click on the description and find a way to contribute to this, basically this work. And I hope that you are enjoying the journey. Until next time, peace, love, and all that old school stuff. Hopefully you're sitting very comfortably, entertained on the other side of your screen without any of the buzzing flies that are just looking for a way to be as bothersome as ever. Thanks again for watching. Peace.